Hey people, welcome back. Hoover with an error code E03. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to quickly fix this issue. There's a filter down here, over there, that's blocked up, and we've had the machine for about 2015, 2016, so good 6-7 years, and it's never ever been opened and fixed. So first thing first is I'm going to shut the machine off. It's not showing up the error, but as soon as you start running a wash, it comes up with the error message. So we'll shut this off, mains off, lid open. I'm going to pull it out. Just make sure you've got a bucket, because there's a little drain pipe that may contain a lot of water, dirty water, smelly water, so that's that. So let's sort of get this. Alright, let's flip this open, get a bit of torch and see what's going on. Alright, so that seems, for some reason this seems to be stuck. It's not working in my favour, and I don't want to snap it either. Alright, there should be a hose pipe somewhere that needs to come out, but I am going to flood the house because my understanding is that there should have been a hose pipe there, but there isn't for the drain, so it looks like that I'm going to flood the house, and I need to be prepared for that. Yep, there you go. I was right, wasn't I? So I don't know how much water it's in there, so the only thing I can hope for is grabbing some tissue, which may not be enough because there may be a lot of water trapped underneath that, and the water does smell. So let's grab tissue roll. Yes, it's smelly water. Yeah, it's a poof. It smells like poop, man. So there's nothing I can do other than soaking this crap off, or taking it, tilting it through the back door, which I might consider doing that because it's very smelly water. So I'm gonna have to get the mop and bucket. Wasn't expecting this crap to be as bad as this. Yeah, it's never meant to be an easy fix. So having to disconnect everything from here, and it stinks. Oh, fucking. I'm gonna keep this high up. This might have some overflow dirty water, so what I might have to do is use Zalflora, which I do have a bottle somewhere, and we'll have to use that instead. So that's been tucked under, not so worried about the other bit. Now somehow I've got to get this rascal out through the back, and let's just hope I'm on my own at the moment. So the more I turn the higher the flow gets. I'll cover the things and just take this flap off so that I can have some access to the bottom. Okay, one's already missing, so no big deal. Right, so I need to get to this. The filter's there, electric motor there. As soon as I have this crap going onto this, and that motor's going to have to get covered by a bag. Seems like there's 2 clips holding, screws holding onto this, so let's grab some tools. There you have it. There's your filter. Alright, so it wasn't an easy one. Alright, so let's put the bowl in place again. Let's see what we've got inside. It's going to be gone water. Oh my god. There's money as well. Flipping it. There's coins and things like that. Crap is built up. How is this supposed to work? Something's stuck here. Yeah. Alcohol and alcohol baby wipes. I'd love to strip this whole thing apart and take everything out, but that's not going to happen. Right, so what I'm going to do is alcohol. Look, there you go, that's cleaning as much as it can, and that's as far as I'm going to go with it. Give it a couple of rounds, and hopefully that should resolve the issue. And then what I would strongly recommend is just take all the clothes out and everything, and just give the machine, allow the machine to run freely on just a spin on its own. Some dirts here, I need to somehow get them out as well. So, toothpick, and those dirts, you can just sort of spin around and they should come out. But it's nice and clean when you put it back. Well, clean as possible, as much as possible. Alright, so a little bit more left. Alright. Okay. It'll probably be this way around. That gets pressed down, okay, so that's fine. There's another slider here, so it looks like that they both section needs to slide in. Yeah, it just slides into that section. There you have it. It's a bit of a fiddly one, this, so some of you might struggle. You need to slide it in. The pump slides in, and then you've got to lever this into that bottom of that spring. And I'm sorry, but it's not an easy. It is not an easy move. So we've nailed the rascal. That's been nailed. Right, I'll take this out, that's not required. Probably get the Hoover and just Hoover those. Back on. I've only got 3 clips, so it'll do for now. Alright, it will do for now. So that's in its place, solid. Brilliant. Make sure that they line up with the holes and just push these clips. Right, I'm going to make sure to throw the machine over. Gentle. Okay, be gentle with it. Pull it back in its position. And I'm going to run a free spin with no load with a bit of detergent, just so that we know that everything else is okay. Let's plug the hot cold water feed back on, but just remember to turn it off in the first place, otherwise you'll be cursing me for flooding your property, and I don't want that. There you go. Just put this back on, give it a firm twist. Okay, probably some light. There you go. So that's been put back on. I've used a copper piping for the waste bit, and I think that will do it beautifully. Right, let's put the mains on. Okay, water back on. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Let's put the machine back in its place. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take these loads out because there's some load in there. The machine's stuck. Those feet that are quite anti-slip feet, so they do sort of play a role in doing. Oh, there it is, yep. There it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of them in. Alright, I'm going to put a couple of them in. That is bad, that. Probably put about put about 4 in. I know I'm kind of overdoing it, but don't give a flying monkey about it. Power on. Let's put it onto a 14-minute timer. So she says 14 minutes. And I'm going to press start. Start. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're going to leave that running for 14 minutes. The machine's running fine. It's not throwing up the error code E03. Pump has been cleared. Now I think my machine could be an isolated incident where there has been some sort of a manufacturing defect and the alignment of the filter is not in parallel with this hole behind this flap. So as a result of that, I've had to tilt the machine over and undo this filter chamber by taking off the 2 screws and pulling it out and doing it in a bit more convoluted way. But in your case, my best advice is to first thing is to see if you can access it, and if it opens up, then bingo. If it doesn't, then you just follow the route what I've gone through to try and sort of clean the filter out. And I would advise you to do that at least once every 6 months, and that will keep the machine fresh. But yeah, the machine's working fine with no issues. What I have done though, however, is run a free load with some cleaning detergent, which I've obviously shown before. I've run it for about 14 minutes, and then I put a load of half a machine of washing and put a couple of these detergent in, so it can give it a flush, and if I need to, I'll rerun the load again, which I might do actually for another 15 minutes once this is done. But oof, how terrible it was, and I knew nothing about it hand on heart. If I knew something about it, I would have dealt with it straight away, way before it come to this stage. So now I know about it. I'm going to do this quite frequently, I should say. So yeah, all the best guys, take care, and hope you found this video useful. Peace.